Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear friends, in this video, I will explain about ram lamb rearing for good profits. If ram lambs are separated from flock and breed with scientific management, excellent profits can be earned. It is a proved fact. As a first step, select good breed and healthy ram lambs at the age of 3 months for the purpose of ram lamb rearing. The ram lambs have to be grazed either in intensive grazing or semi-intensive grazing method with proper health management such as vaccination and deworming as per sheep calendar schedule till it attains the age of 9 months. Silage and feed mix can also be given along with green fodder. For better growth, it must be ensured that sufficient green fodder, silage, and feed mix and clean drinking water is provided. If the required amount of green fodder, feed, clean drinking water is not provided, there are chances that the ram lamb growth is slowed down, resulting in increase in mortality rate and loss to the farmer. If each ram lamb is weighing 25 to 30 kgs, it is good. Sale must be done basing on weight and through weighing machines only. In this process, you can sell all the rams at one go and entire flock can be encashed at a time. So take proper care while undertaking ram lamb rearing and earn good profits. Thank you very much. All the best.